Hey there, developers and IT professionals. Are you fed up with the boring, repetitive coding tasks and constantly flipping through documentation? Well, buckle up because I'm about to blow your mind with a game-changing tool that will turn your coding world upside down. Amazon Q Developer. Amazon Q Developer is a cutting-edge conversational AI assistant created by Amazon Web Services to help developers and IT professionals like you tackle a wide range of tasks with ease. Imagine having a virtual coding companion that can understand, build, extend, and operate your AWS applications by simply answering your questions. It's like having a coding buddy who can help you with all sorts of tasks without breaking a sweat. Imagine this, you're working on your project in your favorite coding environment and you hit a roadblock. Instead of spending hours scouring the internet for solutions, you just ask Amazon Q Developer for help. Boom! It's like having a personal coding guru right there, ready to assist you with anything from chatting about code to generating new code snippets, scanning for vulnerabilities, and even making code upgrades and improvements. Now, let's talk about how you can get started with this awesome tool. First things first, you can access Amazon Q Developer in a few different ways. If you're already using AWS, you can simply add the necessary permissions to your IAM identity and then choose the Amazon Q icon to start chatting in the AWS Management Console, AWS Documentation website, AWS website, or even the AWS Console mobile application. Easy peasy, right? But wait, there's more! You can download the Amazon Q extension for Visual Studio Code or JetBrains IDEs. And get this, you don't even need an AWS account. Just use your AWS Builder ID to sign in for free. Talk about convenience. Once you have the extension installed, you can choose the Open Chat Panel option to start chatting or initiate a development workflow with Amazon Q. It's like having your own personal coding assistant right at your fingertips. And the best part? Amazon Q Developer was made generally available on April 30th, 2024, making this cutting-edge technology accessible to developers and IT professionals worldwide. Now, for those of you who want to take things to the next level, you might want to consider becoming an Amazon Q Pro tier customer. Whether you're a coding newbie or a seasoned pro, Amazon Q Developer is here to revolutionize the way you work. Say goodbye to the struggles of mundane tasks and hello to a whole new level of coding awesomeness. Get started with Amazon Q Developer today and experience the future of software development. Trust me, your coding life is about to get a whole lot easier and way more fun. See you in the next video.